Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to bookmark some places or some text on your documents on Microsoft Office Word. First of all, open your Microsoft Word document and follow these steps. Now, to bookmark, for example, this heading or this text, all we have to do is select it, and then we will go to the insert menu here, and we will go to the links selection to the links section here, and we will find the bookmark. As you can see, it will pop up the bookmark menu. Now let's just name our bookmark, for example, first line. As you can see, make sure that your bookmark name do not contain spaces, so it can be accepted by Microsoft Office Word. Instead of space, you can do an underscore. Now we can uh, also make sure that your heading does not contain any numbers. So now if we do like this first line, it will allow us to add bookmark. As you can see, now we have this issue. Our bookmark isn't showing here. To show our bookmark, all we have to do is to go to the file menu, and here it will appear this menu here. We go down to bottom and click options. It will pop up the word options window. We will go to advanced options. We'll go down in the show documents content. In here we will find the show bookmarks. We will click OK, and as you can see, now our bookmarks are showing. For example, let's bookmark again this subhead. Let's just call it subhead bookmark mark, for example, and then let's head and bookmark this last heading. Last heading. Now the bookmark are inserted, and now all we can do is to scroll or with the bookmarks. To do so, it's for example, just insert a new table or a new page, blank page. For example, that assume that we are here in some place and we want to go to a specific bookmark. All we have to do is go to the insert menu and go to the link section and click on bookmark, and here we will find all our headings, bookmarks. Now I will just click on the bookmark that I want to go to, and as you can see, there is a button called go to. So it will redirect us to exactly the location of our bookmark. Let's do it with others. Let's just go to, and as you can see, it will take us to this bookmark or selected bookmark. So this is how you use the bookmark feature on your documents on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.